want to show you this. I'm going to get demonetized for this too, by the way, because whenever I show these platforms, I get demonetized for the video. But it's worth it just to show a lot of you guys that don't believe from start to finish, because you guys are like, this guy's lying, he's losing money, he's a bag holder, he's not getting out when he says he is. Don't follow this guy. Which I told you, yesterday when to get in. I was trying to help you guys when to get out. Realize the more people we turn on to this ticker, it might hurt us because it's going to create more volatility in a sense. I am alerting you to PSNY, and Monday I'm going to walk you through another day trade just like this, and I want you guys to make this kind of money. So here's my first trade of the day. You see that large spike going to the flat line, right? That was where I got in at the bottom. She spiked up, I sold, she flatlines. She flatlines because I'm not playing any other ticker. That's it. This platform today was designed solely for, which this is Robinhood, it was designed solely for PSNY. I have two of these accounts. I have two Robinhood accounts. This one is set aside for single tickers. Here we go. Now, I got in again at the end of the day because I started seeing a revolving pattern. I noticed it yesterday. I caught it again today. I said, I know exactly how this puppy's going to close. I'm getting back in. I got back in. She ripped. Now, I was looking for my 10% for the day. I said, but here, this is where I didn't want to get greedy, guys, because I knew, you see where she comes down, she starts to bottom. She was going to rip again, but I said, fuck this shit. She come back down. She started to recover. I'm getting out. So if she does recover back up, great. Maybe somebody else made a shit ton of money. Well, I did make a shit ton of money. What am I saying? But anyhow, I could have been greedy and stayed in, but I got out. And this is where you see I got out for a total today. This is where I get demonetized. YouTube's going to demonetize me for showing this shit. They always fucking do. I don't know why. So you guys see, I am not full of shit when I tell you I take the kind of profit I take. The fuck? It's backward, I know. Because I'm using an older phone to record. It's backward. $7,390 profit. When she started to trickle down, you guys see I lost $1,700. Walked with that shit, by the way. You guys know I walked with that profit, okay? We don't just sit that in there and let her disappear. Now, how much did I have to invest to get to that? Here we go. This is where they demonetize me. They hate it when I show the balance. So deduct the profit, which was the 7,390, right? Just deduct that from my grand total EOS. That's $78,943. So that's the gas I was running on today to make the profit that I made. If you are only investing $7,000, you would have made $700 today. You don't have to be hitting these massive caps that I'm hitting, but look at what's important. Look at that 10% gain right there. You see that? How I told you 10% is what we're looking for as day traders. How much did I land right there? I landed 10%. That's not getting greedy, guys. That's staying within my parameters, staying within what I know I'm probably going to make. If I can make this trade 3 times a week, how much money am I going to make next week? Yeah, over $20,000 I'll make next week. Now you guys know I'm not full of shit. All right? All right. Stop being fucking pussies with this shit. He never shows his exit, or he'll just show one. He doesn't show them all. The fuck? Well, how am I getting that kind of money to begin with if I'm losing all the fucking time and I'm a bag holder? Where the hell am I getting that kind of cash from? What it is people trying to scare some of y'all out of these plays. They're coming in, they're bots, they're fucking idiots, they're rookies, they're new, they're green, they're bag holders. I don't know who the fuck they are, but they're not legit investors that are doing what you should be doing to make cash in these plays. Here's what I want to talk about really quick. PSNY. We're betting plays like AMC, Redbox, GME, these really high-risk plays. And I'm going to tell you why I made the money I made today and why I got back in versus would I have traded AMC like this today. What I fear with AMC every time I'm trading it, or these high-risk stocks, okay, these high-shorted stocks, what I fear is getting back in the company not having fundamental value, it going to zero and me losing all my money. You should fear that. We should all fear that. Because what happens if the squeeze doesn't happen on AMC? What happens if these hedge funds now in Wall Street have learned squeeze-proof plays that they just get us, and we're not in the fucking know? 100% fucking synthetics on AMC, revolving. That's why we can't get gamma squeezes off it anymore, because they just keep revolving these synthetics to squash the fucking price when we think we're about to gain an edge or an advantage, right? My dog Warrior's trying to get upstairs. So what I'm saying is, today I was trading a fundamental play with a lot of confidence that even if I got burnt, it's such an awesome company, I don't get burnt, because now I get to hold this beautiful company. So I was a little more aggressive with my trading. I said, hey, this is IPO day with this beautiful EV company that I already plan on going long. So let me just go all in. Let me start betting a lot of money on this thing. And if I accidentally get burnt, then there, I get to go long. I changed my plan of attack, which I told you guys I was going to hold 1,000 in. And then my wife was like, look, you need to make up. And by the way, Tesla, the reason I'm losing, which I'm not even down anymore because Tesla's finally fucking recouping and I'm making all this money. The reason I was down the amount of money I was down on Tesla, because now you guys see how much I bet on these plays. Okay, just so you guys know, I took all the profit from my restaurant, almost 3 years profit, and I put it all on Tesla. Okay, and the company, I was profiting over $100,000 profit a year. All that money kept going to Tesla. Every fucking dollar I didn't put in the bank, I put it all on Tesla. So when you're up $400,000 or you're putting $400,000 on a fucking play, and you're down $60,000, the $60,000 ain't that big a fucking deal for you rookies out there saying, don't listen to this guy, he's down $60,000 on Tesla. If Tesla farts, I'm down $60,000. You see what I'm saying? Tesla farted, I was down $60,000. Now I'm back up because she's recouping. You see what I'm saying? When you got almost $500,000 on a play, $60,000 is a fart. All right? All right. Glad we're on the same page. My point here is, I had a little more confidence trading today because I had this beautiful fundamental play that I know is going to be worth an awful lot of money. So even if I got stuck out of the money today, I'm still in a great play. Whereas if I get stuck out of the money with Redbox, I'm worried as fuck. See what I'm saying? And so I think what I'm going to do is every day, well, not every day because I can't find good entries, and you can't do that every day. I wish we could. We'd all be fucking trillionaires. But when I make these PSNY plays, I want all y'all to start following PSNY, okay? Because now I'm going to start showing you the revolving door as frequently as I can. I'm going to be as transparent as I can, and I'm going to help you guys make money on PSNY, and it's probably going to shoot me in the foot. But either way, we're going to learn it. We're going to do it together. And I'm going to show you how in your fractionals, however much money you're betting on your plays, just fraction it out to what you're going to make versus what I make. Think of what you would have bet today, how much money you could have put on this thing. Find your 10% like I did. You see what I made? What would you have made? See what I'm saying? Had you have bet the 10% like I did. So think about it for next week, because I'm going to show you a couple patterns next week that I caught with this play that I'm sure are going to be revolving so that we can make that cash next week. It's coming back around. I already know it is. Why? Because there's not enough people in the play to throw it out of whack yet. That's why. Okay? All right, guys. That's it for the night. It was a great fucking day. Wish every day could be this freaking beautiful. Hopefully next week we have 3 of these in a row. That would be beautiful. 3 big days like this would be freaking beautiful. Y'all have an awesome night. DogeWARRIOR out. Shaboom. Peace.